isn't about being first. We win, but sometimes we fail. We can climb to the highest heights, or we may fall into a pit. How do you feel when you win? Joy, delight, and happiness. What about failing? Disappointment, or maybe a rage of fury? Hi everyone, my name is Abigail and I'm 9 years old. I'm from Kids Public Speaking Boxes Up. I remember when I was small, I won the position of best monster. It was a small achievement that made me happy. When I won the competition and got gold, I was at the top of the world. I couldn't have done that without putting in a lot of effort and determination. But I can also remember when I failed. Failing may be one of the saddest things on earth. I failed to go to a super good scholarship and lost my chance to go to the top school. I was devastated and doubts on my own ability. I told myself it was just a temporary. I need to get back up and try again. Slowly, my confidence returned. I started to believe in my own ability again. When I failed miserably, I would talk to my mother and my father. My mother and my father are my ardent supporters. My father would say, "Darling, don't forget how you've achieved these things and push yourself." My mother would say, "Abigail, I'm still proud of you because you have done your best. Even though I have won many trophies, I am now standing in my glass." My mother will remind me, winning isn't about being first. It means that you are improving better than before. I discovered I learned more from failures and mistakes rather than success. When I came out first in that competition, I took for granted that I am the best. I did not need to improve. However, when I did not attain the competition, I wonder where I did wrong. I lost the marks, learn from the winners, and try harder next time. Ladies and gentlemen, winning isn't about being first. Even if we fail greatly, we get back up and don't lose hope. We don't give up and we try and try and try again. This is how you and I can learn to be smarter, stronger, and wiser from our mistakes and failures. Thank you.